Okay, it's time to listen to the story of this little fish. The title is Ava the Angelfish. And can you see Ava here on the cover of the book? Okay, let's see. Ava woke up early. It was her birthday. She was 3 years old. Ava couldn't wait to see her friends. Ava swam near the top of the coral reef. The water was warm from the sunlight. Goby, she called out. Goby didn't answer. Can you see Goby? He's hidden. Can you see him here? Ava swam to the side of the coral reef. It was a fun place to play hide and seek. Seahorse, she called out. Seahorse did not answer. Shh, can you see Seahorse there? Look, here he is. Ava swam down to the sandy bottom. It was the best place to take a nap. Crab, she called out. Crab did not answer. Can you see Crab hiding here? Shh. Ava swam past her favorite rock. It looked like a castle. Starfish, she called out. Starfish did not answer. She's here, look. Shh, she's hiding. Ava was sad. Where were all of her friends? Goby swam out of the top of the coral reef. Seahorse swam out of the sides. Crab crawled out of the sand. Starfish climbed off a rock. There were all the friends. Look, we have Seahorse, Starfish, Crab, and Goby the fish. Surprise! Yelled Goby, Seahorse, Crab, and Starfish. Ava and her friends ate seaweed cake. Then they opened gifts and played tag. Look, they are celebrating Ava's birthday. Good. Ava had a fun birthday and she went to bed. And that is the end of the story. Did you like the story? Yes? Well, now, let's see the characters, the setting, the beginning, the middle, and the end of the story. Okay?